Welcome to Genesis Learning. I'm your trainer, Noel. Today, we are going to take a look at the PTE speaking and how you can improve your pronunciation tips. The PTE pronunciation scores play a massive role in achieving that needed score that you want in the PTE Academic exam. It can be quite stressful if you don't know how to improve that pronunciation score. Today, I am going to share my top 10 tips for getting that top score in pronunciation. Let's start learning. Alright, so preparing for the PTE Academic can be really easy if you do the right amount of planning. The pronunciation skills are required for read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, and retell lecture types. Well, the good news is you do not have to sound like a native speaker in the PTE Academic. However, you should pronounce certain words in the right manner so that it can be understood by any English speaker. Okay? You need the right amount of word stress, sentence stress, and it should convey the correct meaning. Let's take a look at how you can improve on the pronunciation. The first thing is the pronunciation is important and not the accent. Don't ever try to copy an accent of a native English speaker. You are bound to make errors. You don't have to pronounce exactly how they say it. Try to get the right meaning, okay? Pronunciation is more important. Don't try to copy the accent. The second thing is try to watch more TV if you want to improve your PTE speaking. You're probably thinking, wow, which teacher is going to say to watch TV to improve? Well, I hope I'm not the first to say that, because this is one way that you can guarantee you can improve that PTE speaking. TV is actually really educational for language learning if you use it effectively. Watch the right programs. Watch something that you are interested in. Note all the strange sounds and the mouth movements of the speaker. The next thing is work on your pace or speed. One way of improving your oral fluency and pronunciation score is to work on your pace. You should not speak too fast, neither should you speak too slow. Focus on this as you are speaking with others to practice. Notice how you stop and think at certain parts if you go back and start a sentence all over again. Such habits can lower your score. You have to make sure that you fix them now before getting into the examination. The fourth is intonation and stress. In simple words, some parts of the words are more important than the other, and you need to emphasize that by stressing it. The way you intonate the word can change the entire meaning. Before I jump on to the fifth one, if you're getting some value out of this video, please make sure to hit that like button. And now let's jump into the fifth point, which is speak in a natural manner, tone and speed. The really simple trick is to speak naturally, but with a proper rhythm, tone and pace. If you have the habit of speaking too fast or too slow, then with a little bit of practice, you can change the manner in how you speak. The sixth thing that you can do is listen to more spoken English. If you're not sure of what is actually a good pace, then start watching some native English shows. Listen to English radio station and notice how the conversation flows between the radio hosts. Learn from these resources, then apply what you've learned when practicing. Ask someone to speak English with you and try to speak English every single day. The seventh is listen to native speakers of English and how they speak. To understand how to speak with correct pronunciation, you could listen to different audios or watch videos of native English speakers. Try to study their mouth movements and replicate them so that you can get the right sound. The 8th point is, don't speak difficult words in which you are not confident. You see, most people often get stuck in difficult words. Words like extraordinary or immediately. So people are not so confident in using these words. In speaking vocabulary, it is not so important. PT doesn't want you to use huge vocabulary to get more marks. Make sure you use simple words that you are confident and can pronounce properly. Before I jump into the 9th point, if you are not part of our community, please feel free to join by hitting that subscribe button. The 9th point is, break it into syllable. The word syllable has 3 syllables. Syllable. Breaking words into small parts can make them easier to pronounce. And the last one is, record yourself when you are speaking in English. The best way to improve your pronunciation is to record your speech in English and check how you pronounce every word and work to correct your mistakes. The bonus tip that I would like to give is, use a mirror. Another way to analyze yourself is to stand in front of the mirror and speak your words. Watch your mouth and tongue movement. It's all in the way you speak and nothing else more than that. Okay, now I know these tips might be great, but it'll be even more great only if you can apply them. If you are looking for that fantastic score in the PTE exam, then we can help you. Log on to our website and check out some of our study packages and feel free to sign up. If you want to get in touch with us, use that contact form that is mentioned below. Drop your details and we'll get back to you. If this video was informative, feel free to share it with your friends. Till we meet again, this is your tutor, Noel, wishing you a fantastic week ahead. Ciao.